Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we begin with the first part of my 10-part series on artificial intelligence. In this video, I will explain in detail what AI actually is, how it originated, and why it already significantly influences our lives today. In the next few minutes, we will take the time to understand the basics and discover exciting backgrounds, so definitely stay tuned. If this topic captivates you and you don't want to miss any episodes, the best thing to do is subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. This way, you won't miss out on anything. In the next few minutes, I'll briefly and concisely show you the topics to expect and why you should definitely stay tuned. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to systems and machines that perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. Unlike classical software, which operates according to defined rules, AI systems can learn, adapt, and make decisions almost like a human mind. Think of a voice assistant that remembers your habits, or a recommendation system that always shows you exactly what interests you. In this video, I want to show you how simple algorithms evolve into systems that recognize patterns, solve problems, and develop over time. The beginnings of AI go back to the 1950s. It was then that pioneers like Alan Turing began to ask whether machines can think. Turing developed the famous Turing test to measure to what extent machines can imitate human behavior. In the following decades, AI went through several phases of development. In the 1960s and 1970s, symbolic approaches and simple logic programs dominated. Over time, expert systems emerged, achieving early successes in the 1980s in certain areas like medical diagnosis. But the breakthrough in machine learning came in the 2000s, driven by vast amounts of data and powerful computers. Today, deep neural networks are at the forefront, allowing us to understand and utilize extremely complex relationships. This long path of development shows that AI is a dynamic and constantly growing field that reinvents itself time and again. You might not even realize how much AI is already integrated into our everyday life. Just look at your smartphone, the automatic facial recognition, intelligent camera functions, or even the voice control. All of this is based on AI. Intelligent algorithms are also used in social media and streaming services to suggest content that perfectly matches your preferences. Imagine navigating through an unfamiliar city. Modern navigation systems use AI to analyze traffic flows in real time and always show you the best route. In online shops, AI helps by giving personalized product recommendations tailored to your taste. All these examples demonstrate that AI is not just a technical gimmick but a technology that makes our daily lives simpler, more efficient, and often even safer. A crucial factor contributing to the growing importance of AI is the sheer volume of data being produced today, often referred to as big data. Every day, countless pieces of information are generated, from social media posts to sensor data in industry. Modern AI algorithms are capable of processing, analyzing, and deriving valuable insights from these vast amounts of data. In medicine, AI systems can, for example, recognize patterns in imaging techniques that help doctors with diagnoses. In business, intelligent systems optimize processes and increase efficiency by making decisions based on data. These developments show how AI acts as a driving force for innovation in nearly all areas of life, helping us meet challenges in an increasingly digital world. To better understand how AI works, let's take a look at machine learning, the foundation of almost all modern AI systems. In this approach, algorithms are trained with large amounts of example data. Imagine teaching a child to distinguish between round and non-round cats. With each new observation, the child learns to distinguish better and better. Neuronal nets function similarly. They are fed with numerous images, texts, or other data and gradually recognize patterns that they can then apply to new situations. The area of deep learning is particularly exciting, involving deep neural nets made up of many layers. These networks can solve extremely complex tasks, such as facial recognition or language translation. In the upcoming videos, I will go into more detail on how these learning processes work and the mathematical foundations behind them. But for today, it's enough to know that modern AI systems emerge from a combination of algorithms, data, and computing power. As impressive as the technology is, it also brings some challenges. AI systems can only be as good as the data they are trained on. If this data is faulty or biased, then the decisions made by AI can also become problematic. Therefore, it is important not to neglect ethical questions. I would therefore not like to miss the opportunity to address why a responsible handling of AI is so important. Privacy, transparency, and fairness are just some of the aspects that need to be discussed. We will therefore discuss the ethical issues associated with the use of AI in more detail in a later episode of this series. It is an exciting and at the same time challenging field that affects us all. If you want to delve deeper into the topic, I have compiled a selection of trustworthy sources for you. You can find these at the very end of the video description of this post. Until next time, these resources offer you a comprehensive insight into the origins and functioning of AI and invite you to discover even more. Personally, I am fascinated by how quickly the field of artificial intelligence is developing and the possibilities it opens up for us. Of course, there are still many open questions and challenges, but it is precisely this dynamic that makes AI such an exciting topic. In the upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into the technical details, practical applications, and also the ethical debates surrounding AI. I look forward to taking this journey with you and discovering together how AI can shape our future. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about artificial intelligence, subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so you don't miss an episode of the series. I really appreciate your comments. Let me know which aspects of AI fascinate you the most or what questions you have. This way, I can better tailor the content to your interests. We've gained a comprehensive overview of what artificial intelligence is, how it has developed, and why it plays such a significant role in our modern world. From the early ideas and pioneering achievements of the 1950s to the breakthrough of machine learning and its current applications in our daily lives, AI is ubiquitous and continuously changing our world. I hope I was able to provide you with a good introduction to this complex topic and spark your curiosity. In the upcoming videos of our series, I will dive even deeper into the subject, show you practical applications, and also address the ethical questions associated with this technology. Thank you for joining today. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video when we explore the fascinating world of the technical background and workings of AI. Stay curious.